Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to upload guys how can we off guys color correction in our Samsung mobile. Means guys you want to off guys your color correction mode setting in your Samsung phone. So how can you guys off your color correction mode setting in your Samsung phone? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video. Open your phone setting guys first of all. And friends, you can see your Samsung phone guys. This setting guys, scroll it friends. You will have to click on guys your phone accessibility setting guys. Guys, accessibility setting you can see guys, tap here guys, click on your visibility setting second option. Then guys scroll again friends, you can see guys your color correction guys, tap here friends, you can see color correction is on guys. You want to off guys, right side is icon guys, tap here friends, you can see guys your color correction setting guys. So with this problem will off guys, you can see guys this setting will off in your Samsung phone. And once you can use guys your each and everything in your Samsung phone without this color problem setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet in the next video. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.